In this video, we will learn about the topic sources of water. So as we know that about 3/4 of our earth's surface it is covered with water. So now we will see that what are the various sources of water that is present on the earth, that is rainwater, surface water, snow, river water, sea water and groundwater. So, if we talk about the rainwater, so it is considered to be the purest form of naturally occurring water. So, it is a main source of water that is present on the earth. So, here we can see also, so here the rainfall is happening. Now, if we talk about the surface water, so on the earth's surface, water exists in the form of snow, river water and sea water. So if we talk about the snow, so the water it is found in the frozen state as snow, and it provides a steady supply or the constant supply of water to rivers, lakes and ground reserves. So here we can see also here it is a mountains and it is covered with snow. Now if we see the river water and lake water, so the snow it get melts down and it changes into the liquid water. Since water exists in three forms, that is liquid, solid and in gaseous or water vapor form. So now this snow that is in solid form, it gets converted to the liquid form and it flows directly into the lakes and rivers. So the rainwater it also fills the rivers, lakes and ponds, and the water in the rivers, lakes and ponds is not fit for drinking. We cannot directly drink this water as it may contain some germs and some other soluble impurities, and if we consume it, so it may cause us some diseases, that is like typhoid, diarrhea, etc. Now if we talk about the sea water, so since we know that sea water is saline as it has lots of salt that is dissolved in it, and these dissolved salts it makes the sea water saline or very salty. So since we know that we have abundant supply of water on our earth, but we cannot use this water directly for drinking and agriculture purposes, but still seas and rivers they play an important role in the supplying water to our homes. Now we see about the groundwater. So a lot of water it is hidden as groundwater. So whatever the water we use in our day to day activities, that is from the groundwater, so it is present beneath the earth's surface, and many people in cities and villages they use groundwater. So the people in villages they draw the water from tube wells, hand pumps, etc. Here we can see also this is our tube well and this is our hand pump. So it is a important source of water throughout the world. Now nearly the whole of the rural population they uses the groundwater for all their needs, and it is also an important source for agricultural and industrial needs. Now if we see that the rainwater it is a main source of groundwater, and most of the rainwater it enters the lakes, rivers, ponds and seas. So in fact rain can be said to be the ultimate source of water. So now we the question arises that where does the groundwater come from? So it is mainly the rainwater that seeps or goes through the soil to reach the bedrock and is available to us as groundwater. So the water from the lakes, rivers and ponds they also seep into the ground. So this process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration, and the sea water that collects between the layers of the hard rocks, this is called an aquifer. So here we can see also this is a water table and this is an aquifer. So aquifer basically it is the seeped water that is collected between the layers of bedrocks. Now, if we see that the aquifers, they are the huge underground lakes that is filled with gravel and rocks from which water can be pumped out. So here we can see also that this portion is considered to be an aquifer. This is our aquifers. So the level of water under the ground, it is known as water table. So the tube wells and hand pumps, they are used to draw out the water from these aquifer to the surface of the earth. As we can see here also, it is getting pumping out and we are getting water. So these aquifers, they are filled or recharged by rainwater that is seeping down the earth. So thus we can say that the availability of groundwater or the level of the water table, it depends on the rainfall and the recharge conditions in an area. So I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.